So, you want to make money on YouTube without making videos, but you're not sure where to start. Most people think that making money on YouTube without showing your face or filming videos is a difficult, time-consuming, and complicated process, but it's a lot simpler than you think. Today we'll look at how BodyHub produces its videos. It's a completely faceless channel. Moreover, the channel focuses on health and fitness. If I go to the video section, you can see their video topic: 10 easy ways to boost metabolism, 10 natural weight loss supplements, 12 gym hacks, and so on. Their videos are all about fitness and weight loss. This is a high CPM niche. If I go to channel analytics, by the way, this is a TubeBuddy Chrome extension. That helps us to see any channel's monthly views and subscribers. See, this channel generated 1.28 million views per month just by uploading 23 videos. Now you might be saying that's great, but how much could they made actually? Well, if we take out the calculator right here, and we take 1.28 million views per month, and then we divide that by 1,000, this is going to show us how many thousands of views per month this channel is getting. If the CPM is, let's say, $10, that would mean this channel BodyHub is making $12,800 per month. But I know this channel make more than $12,000 as all of their videos is 8-minute long means they can add multiple ads to a single video. Now if you want to make this figure per month, we need to make the same videos. So let's see how these videos are made. They use online video making software for making this type of video, with a voiceover in the background. That's all. Later in the video, I'll show you whatever video making software they use, so stick with me till the end. They simply use a template to create this type of video, and the footage is all stock video footage. Okay, now I'll walk you through the process of creating the same videos in under 5 minutes. The first step is to write a well-written script for our video. See the title of their video, 10 ways to boost your metabolism. So the purpose of this video is to share 10 ways for the audience to increase their metabolism. Simply copy the video title and search it on Google. You will find a lot of well-written blog article, which is all about ways to increase your metabolism. For the time being, open this blog, 10 ways to rev up your metabolism. As you can see, it shows all of the methods that can help people in increasing their metabolism. What you need to do is open an online AI tool called Quillbot. This is a great paraphrase tool that can easily rewrite any paragraph using synonyms. Simply mark this as standard and increase the level of synonyms. Simply copy one paragraph from here and paste it here. After that, paraphrase. As you can see, it entirely changes the paragraph using synonyms. All of the red words have been replaced with synonyms. Now, copy this synonym once more and paste it here. Then paraphrase once more. Now, our paragraph becomes unique. Do it twice or 3 times, then copy and paste it into a Word or other document file. Assume this is our first way. Similarly, you can copy the entire article and paraphrase it using Quillbot.com, although I don't suggest it. I will demonstrate a technique. Copy any video title you wish to create and search it into Google as seen here. Then open 2 or 3 blog articles on that topic. As you can see, all of these blog articles are on ways to improve metabolism. Now, copy one way from one article, and then paraphrase it using the same method. Then copy from here, and paste it into a Word document. Actually, the technique is, from these 3 articles, collecting different ways of increasing metabolism from different blog articles, and make it a compilation script, and then paraphrase it using Quillbot, and make your video script unique. Now for checking plagiarism, you can check this on Copyscape. Simply sign up and log in here, then copy and paste the entire article over here. If you find any plagiarism, simply copy that section and rewrite it till it is fully plagiarism free. You can easily write a script if you apply the technique I'm showing. Then, using a microphone, simply read the article aloud. Read the article professionally to make it sound better. Now, in the second stage, I'll show you the previously mentioned online video making software. But first, if you found this video informative, please like it and subscribe to this channel for unlocking your online income sources. Okay, the video making software name is Lumen 5. Just open the software. It's not free software. You can see the pricing from here. They charge a little bit of money monthly, but it will make this kind of video within a matter of a minute. You can purchase its basic package, which charges $19 per month. If you use it freely, it will add a watermark to your rendering video. But don't worry, if you can't purchase this right now, I will show you later how you can use it freely and remove the watermark from the video. So stick to the video till the end. For getting started, click on Sign Up Free. Then enter your name, email, and password, and create an account. I have already signed up for this website. You can also sign up using Facebook. Now I am just logged in. After signing in, you will see this kind of interface. Then you need to click on Create Videos Consistently for a brand, because we are making videos consistently here. So, you need to select this option. After that, you need to select a template from here. See, they use a template, and we need to choose the same one. Here, you will find a lot of video templates that you use, but I suggest you use this smart template. You can also use another template, but this one is better. You can see the preview from here. See, texts are coming like the video that we have seen in the Body Hub's videos. Just click on Use this template, and it will take some time. Now you need to copy the article and paste it over here. Then you need to click on Convert to Video. The best thing about this software is it automatically reads your script and makes a video using stock footage and captions. Just wait a minute. See, our video is generated based on this script. Number 1 is possibilities of enhancing metabolism. You can see the preview from here. See, this paragraph is shown as a caption. In the same way, this paragraph is also shown here. If you don't like any slide design, you can swap this from here. From these slides, you can choose any of them. Here, I use this slide. See, this is changed, and it looks better. You can also change the text color from here. See, they use yellow text. You can also use the same. You can also change the background stock footage. Just go to the media option, then search for a keyword something like fast metabolism, and you will find different stock footage related to that keyword. Just drag and drop it here, and it will change the stock footage. Now you can also use background music and upload your recorded voiceover from here. Click on Upload and drag and drop your voiceover. You can also change the styles of the slides from here. Not only that, you can also change the format. You can get 4 options: landscape, square, vertical, and story format. Now you can preview the video from here. And see, you need to upgrade to remove the watermark. But you don't need to upgrade if you watch till the end. Now if you want to publish the video, click on Publish and it will start rendering, and after that automatically download. Okay, our video is ready. You can see this looks professional and quite the same as Body Hub's videos. That's awesome. But at the end, see a Lumen 5 watermarks come. What you need to do, you need to simply split or remove this part using any video editing software. For example, you can use OpenShot video editing software. It is free to download, and it is compatible with all kinds of operating systems such as Mac, Windows, or Linux. I will show you everything step by step on how you can make a similar video like Body Hub. Now you need to implement this, because without implementation, you can't earn money from YouTube. I truly want you can earn money online. And if you are not subscribed to it, why are you waiting? It's free, but you will get new Make Money Online videos daily that can change your current finance. So consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Thank you so much. See you soon.